Microsoft just gave Word, Excel, and PowerPoint a massive upgrade. AI agents are here. Imagine asking Excel to run a full business analysis, telling Word to update a report using data from your emails, or having PowerPoint instantly design a polished pitch deck, all while the AI explains its steps. This isn't science fiction. It's rolling out now in Microsoft 365. Let's break down how these new AI agents work and how they might completely change the way you use Office forever. These aren't just chatbots bolted onto Microsoft apps. They're agentic AI systems, meaning they don't just spit out text, they actually perform tasks, check their work, and refine results. Available to Microsoft 365 Copilot users, both personal and business, these agents work across Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, with more integration coming soon. Think of them as little digital co-workers, embedded directly into your apps. Excel has always been powerful, but let's be real, most of us only scratch the surface. Now with Agent Mode, you can simply ask, run a full analysis on this sales dataset, summarize key insights, and make it visual. The AI will decide which formulas to use, create sheets, generate charts, and even validate results so you can trust the data. This means you no longer need to be an Excel wizard to unlock advanced analytics. The AI does the heavy lifting and explains its process. In Word, the AI acts like a smart editor and researcher. You could say, update this September report with the latest numbers from the Sept data pull email, summarize highlights compared to August, and format everything using the latest brand guidelines. The AI will pull from emails, past docs, and style guides, not just rewriting text, but applying formatting, italics, headers, and more. It's like having an assistant who knows both your writing style and your corporate branding. PowerPoint might be the biggest winner here. With the Office agent in Copilot Chat, you can go from an idea to a finished presentation in minutes. Example: create a slide deck encouraging employees to join our retirement program. Use numbers, visuals, and analogies. The AI will research, draft slides, add charts, and even weave a narrative. Another example: ask it for the top 5 trends in athleisure. And boom, you've got a ready-to-present deck with live previews. To try these features, businesses need a Microsoft 365 Copilot license, around $30 per user per month. Individuals can access agents with a Microsoft 365 personal or family plan. Right now, they're rolling out on the web, but desktop integration is coming soon. For Excel, you'll need the Excel Labs add-in. For Word and PowerPoint, check Microsoft's Frontier program pages. This is more than a feature update. It's Microsoft signaling the future of work. No more fighting with formulas, formatting, or presentation design. The AI agents act more like coworkers, taking initiative, fixing errors, and asking questions when needed. Over time, expect deeper integration. AI agents talking across apps, managing workflows, and maybe even negotiating with other agents on your behalf. So, what do you think? Are AI agents in Office apps a productivity revolution, or just another flashy gimmick? Would you trust Excel's AI to run your business data, or Word's AI to write your reports? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you found this breakdown useful, hit that like button, subscribe for more Future of Work deep dives, and ring the bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Because the way we work with Word, Excel, and PowerPoint will never be the same again.